Hey, DaveWeLike here with the Roku Smart Soundbar as well as the Roku Wireless Subwoofer. These are separate products, but you want to buy them together because, well, at least at Best Buy, I got $60 off when I bought them together. Pretty cool little offer that they have going on right now. Now, if you don't know, the Roku Smart Soundbar has Roku built into it, so you don't need an external Roku device or even a Roku TV. You can use your dumb Android TV or Vizio TV and finally make it smart because it has Roku. As you can tell, I clearly like my Roku. I do have the Sony A8F TV. Now this TV, I love the audio coming out of it. Because it has a subwoofer that's baked into the stand and the audio will project through the glass of the screen itself. So it sounds really, really good. I just question whether or not this will sound better because I don't know. It was kind of an impulse buy. I'm curious to see what happens. And we're going to make sure to amp up the bass. It's going to be a lot of fun for my neighbors downstairs. Hopefully they won't come running on up, bitching and yelling at me. But you never know. All right, let's go ahead and open up. Okay, there we go. Oh, God. Oh, okay, I got it. Let's go ahead and open up the Roku Smart Soundbar. You can see it's got a lot of styrofoam. Very environmentally friendly. Let's throw that out. Manuals, who needs that? Let's get to the heart of the matter. Here it is. Where are you at? Yes. Oh, goodness gracious. Almost dropped it. It's okay. You know, I thought it would be longer, actually. This is beefy, heavy, and we're going to go ahead and take this tape off. Oh, that felt good, didn't it? Oh, we have more boxes within boxes. Let's get rid of that box. We've got accessories 2 and 1 right over here. I don't know what that means. Batteries came in accessories too. All right, I like that. What else you got over here? A new Roku remote. Definitely something that I always ask for. You got Netflix, ESPN Plus, Hulu, and Sling TV. All right, good combo there. As well as it is voice enabled, so you can go ahead and speak to it. This is a optional. Use this cable if your TV doesn't have an HDMI port labeled ARC. Thankfully, my TV does. And we've got accessories number 1. Let's see what's inside of here. Nothing. Okay. A cord. I think this is HDMI cord. As well as we got the power. Now we can turn it on. The rat nest of cables. Let's dive deep in. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the power. Somehow, if there's an outlet, the last outlet of Sacagawea. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and plug it straight on into the Roku soundbar, which is somewhere over here. And so the outlet for that is on the side. Oh, let's see how easy this is to plug in. Oh, there it goes again. Perfect. That was solid. Great connection. Now, the next step is to plug in our HDMI cord, which was provided, which is actually really cool. So hopefully it's the best of the best, the latest and the greatest. Oh, so close, so close. You know, this would be easier if I just didn't have it in the cabinet already. Step 1, don't do that. Okay, I can figure this out. Okay, hold on. I'm almost there. Okay, put some pressure on it. There you go. There you go. Get it in, lad. Get it in. All right, so next step is to make sure that we plug it into the TV via the HDMI ARC, which happens to be input 3 on my TV. And we finally have found Noah's Ark. So here we go, the moment that we've all been waiting for.
Wait, I'm gonna press pause.
Well, do you know where the Roku remote is?
I'm gonna press pause.
I lost it.
I don't know how to turn this off.
Getting started on your Roku. Listen to the audio, see what you think. That was intense. Oh, excuse me. Hello. That was without the...
Get to know your new Roku Smart Soundbar.
I'm good. I got it. I got it. We'll figure it out somehow. All right, so we have a different background wallpaper than typical Rokus have. So there are a couple different settings that you can go ahead and turn on and off in regards to the audio now. So you've got volume mode as well as speech clarity. So I was just browsing YouTube and found this great YouTuber called DaveWeLike. I don't know if you've ever seen him before. Makes really cool videos, I guess. So what volume level? Oh, 0? Okay, 1. I'm on volume 1. I can completely understand what it is that I'm saying. It's very crystal clear. Fine, here's a 2018 reference.
Boy, girl, girl, boy, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Oh!
Well, Tavers, it has been so loud. All right, so we've been also listening to a lot of music on Pandora. It sounds great at level 5. It just doesn't seem normal to me. I mean, maybe Roku needs to introduce a software update. Maybe it's a bug of some kind. I mean, there's no way that you could listen to anything near 50 or near 75 volume. So it seems like there's an issue, I'd assume, because it's definitely hurting my ears at 25 volume, which is really weird. But that being said, I've always wanted to listen to TV on volume 1. I can hear everything. It sounds great. Now, let's install the subwoofer, which I'm really afraid to install because if the soundbar itself is so loud as it is, this subwoofer could be crazy. Crazy! All right, so we've got the Roku wireless subwoofer over here. And we're gonna go ahead and open. I swear, it's not me, right? It's latch. There we go. Okay, got it. Okay, here we go. More paper. More cardboard. Salaam, good evening. Hello, Roku. We meet again. Okay. Just kidding. There we go. Okay. Okay. There we go. Got a little Roku sticker. That's nice. That's cute. Alright, so this is the subwoofer there, cardboard, plug, and that's it. It's wireless. Pretty easy. So let's go ahead and rip this guy apart. Undressing it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good stuff. Take the tape off. Nobody needs that. Don't use protection. Okay, so over here, we've got things, sexiness. The bottom looks like this. Oh yeah. Obviously the audio will be projecting downward. It is quite heavy and sturdy. It actually is nice feeling. There we go. So I've gone ahead and just plugged in my subwoofer. Now I'm gonna have to pair it in the settings, pair a new device, pair the subwoofer. Oh God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah. That was shaking the entire apartment. That was good. Felt that one. Oh no, not the cinematic sound. Oh God, no. I don't really hear the bass, do you? I heard it thumping before in the test. It is vibrating. Yeah.
A coffee stain on my white shirt.
Yeah, I don't hear a difference at all with the subwoofer, but I mean, I do feel that it's rumbling. But you could go ahead and turn on bass boost to make your explosion sound a lot better. Let's try it in bass boost and see if we notice anything different. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video on up. It seems as if there's like a small bug, but I'm not exactly sure about the audio volume itself. I'm going to reach out to Roku to see what they say, but that's very bizarre about that. I cannot go past 25 really without really hurting my ears. And as far as the subwoofer, I know that it works because I'm feeling that it works, and in the initial test when it was setting on up, it was extremely loud. But when I went ahead and actually watched video content from Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and Pandora, it wasn't as punchy. But that's okay because, again, I think maybe at higher volumes it might get a lot more punchy. But I can't really go past 25 right now on my soundbar because it's just so loud alone from that. So maybe there's something going on overall. But even with that little sound bug, if it is even a bug, I would say that this experience of getting a Roku in your audio equipment makes it that much more easy to go ahead and get a really cool cinematic experience. In this video, I didn't really compare this soundbar to the latest Roku Ultra 2019, but just playing around with it on my couch, it really seems zippy. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. As of course, remember to subscribe for more videos coming soon. I can completely still hear what I'm saying on volume 1. I can completely still hear what I'm saying on volume 1. I can completely hear what it is that I'm saying on volume 1. I can completely hear what it is that I'm saying on volume 1. So these speakers